knows it's a holiday, you can work now full time. So you guys, that gives you an opportunity to save money for the subsequent year to pay for yourself, pay your rent, and have subsistence for living. But remember, for you to come to college and for you to apply for the visa, you need to then have paid 100% of the fees. It's a requirement from the Department of Justice, of Immigration, actually. So it's not negotiable. You cannot say, can I pay 50% and then apply for the visa, and then when I get over to Dublin, I can now pay the rest of the balance. No. You can't be considered. You won't be even considered to apply for you won't be qualified to apply for the visa if you haven't paid 100% tuition fee. So you guys, now I'll tell you the tuition fee prices. It is 7,250 euros per year, inclusive of the medical insurance. So someone is trying to join. Okay, they joined already. Yeah, that's good. So you guys, 7,250 euros inclusive of medical insurance for 1 year, and you have to pay that before we can now start applying for your visa. And the intakes are as follows. We have the intake for February, for June, and for September. I think for most of you, February might not be within reach because that's just in the next 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks, And the turnaround times for the visa applications would normally be something like 6 to 8 weeks. So you don't want to apply and then get declined, because when immigration looks at your intake, they know that Holmes Institute Dublin is starting on the 10th of February. So if you are interested and if you have money, we don't want to waste time with people who don't have money. If you don't have money, go back, prepare yourself, come when you are ready and you have the money. So what you do is to book an appointment with me, and then I help you apply on the portal. We do a phone call via WhatsApp, and it will take 30 to 35 minutes max to talk to you and get data from you and then place the application for you. So if you have money, like you tell me, I have money, and we can prioritize your application so that the next day or the same day that you have applied, you have an offer letter. That's called a conditional offer, and it will remain conditional offer until you have paid money. When you have paid now, you are going to make it yourself unconditional, because now you can use it to apply for the visa, you guys. So that's it about this pathway of coming through education. The last one is coming through general employment through our services as a recruitment agency. And there's a service fee payable. And for the recruitment agency, you don't ask us to look for the job and then you pay us when we found the job for you. No, it doesn't work like that anywhere in the world. You pay money, service fee, and then we look for employment for you. And then when we got employment for you, we say, hey, Motlatsi, come here. On this day, we have found an employer for you. Would you be ready for an interview? You say, hey, I have a funeral on that day. Can I please negotiate 2 days down the line? All right, no problem. And then we negotiate on your behalf. And then they give you an interview. We give you a training on how to be successful within the European way of asking questions. You know what I mean? They will ask you scenario questions, not what is. They are not going to ask you what is. No. What is? No. That's for school. It's not for us here. We are going to be asking you scenario questions, and we are going to be telling you. So we'll be training you how to do that, and we'll be training you on basic training certificates that are needed before you start employment in Ireland. So that's what is included in the service fee, you guys. So you guys, we're not going to be talking about the fees for that now, because we are finalizing the website that will tell you everything about the employment route. So, but I can tell you that in February, we will be having the website running, so you guys can keep checking our updates. So that's why it's important to follow us on our personal social media platforms, so that our community can be updated. So you guys, please share whatever it is that you have heard from us, because we are trying to reach people from all over the world. We are reaching people from any corner of the world. So you guys, if you have questions to me now, let's take questions. I want us to finish this video in the next 7 minutes. So the floor is open for anyone who wants to comment or wants to ask a question. Yeah, the floor is open now. Anybody, unmute yourself and speak. And I remember now I ask people to keep themselves unmuted so you can talk. Just talk. Tell us who you are and tell us the program that you have done. Maybe that's where we should have started, but I think we were too late for the meeting, so I have other meetings. Oh my God, I have 2 other meetings after this. So you guys, do you have any comments, any questions?
And I wanted to ask Corena with the visa, as you had mentioned, school and everything, you assist with the visa.
You know what happens when we are recruiting people from abroad? What happens is that we are going to be selling your products to different organizations, employers, prospective employers. So when you have employment you have a job offer, the Department of Justice is going to allow your visa, is going to accept your visa. So you cannot have a refusal when you have an offer. And especially when it came through us, because we're able to support your application, but you are going to make the application through the website. You remember, things on this side of the world are online, guys. You apply from the comfort of your home. You're not going to go to the Department of Justice like back home where we are queuing, and no. On your phone, on your laptop, you're going to be applying and make a payment from there. So that's the way that our website is going to be operating. You're going to be paying us from your side of things. If your banker allows you to pay, or you can at least go pay in the bank. But if you're able to do your internet banking to pay, then you'll use your card. You provide the card details to the system, and then it charges you amount of money. You get a receipt that's electronic to your email, and then that's it. You have proof of payment. And once the money reflects into the company's account, then we take your profile that you would have uploaded to the system, to the website, and then we take it to the employers, either by a group of people within your field, or maybe individually if you don't have other people, because it will make it a beautiful bargain if you go to the employer to say, we have 15 social workers that are ready now. We have 15 political scientists, sociologists, anthropologists, we have psychologists, we have lawyers, we have all engineers, we have everything. Oh, you guys, we have nurses, we have pharmacists, oh, we have teachers, we have everybody. So that's the way it works. Another question, another comment? Unmute yourself, please. If you want to talk to us, unmute yourself. Who's that? Is it Chida? Yeah, unmute yourself. If Chido.
No, I was talking to my sister.
Yeah, what do you say to your sister?
Oh, no.
Okay, all right. Okay, you guys. So we have
I have a question.
4 minutes left. Yes. Yeah, you can go ahead.
What if I have a diploma in graphic design? Yeah, so it's on the same level as like degree.
Yeah,
So
you
what's the
you qualify for that
difference?
Bachelor of Arts Honors in Business, that 3-year program. So you qualify directly there, and it's a beautiful opportunity for you if you have that graphic design, because when you come here, you do your business. It will be so easy for you to do that master's because it's MSc in Strategic Information Systems. So your graphic design is not too far from the IT. So to be honest, you are very valuable and you are very attractive because there's a lot of employment for you here. So once you come to college and you have 30 days in here, we got a job for you. You're doing good. You're making side hustle money, designing during the night, but make sure to go to college full time and then do job part time. Yeah. The next question and comment. We have 3 minutes. You guys, it's actually 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah.
So can I please ask?
Yeah.
So when you find a person who's a student a job, do you find them a job that is related to what they are studying, or just a side job?
We'll give them a job for making money. If they are lucky to have a job within their field, they will find a job themselves. but we'll give them jobs that companies. Remember, we are a recruitment agency and employers send us their vacancies. So we'll tell you what vacancies we have that are closest to Dublin. If you are ready to travel by train, the transport system here is very reliable. You can spend the rest of your life without buying a car in this country using only public transport. So it's up to you. We'll give you what we have. So what is important is that you are going to make a lot of money, more than you are doing as a full-time employee back home. So guys, we have 1 minute remaining. So I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody for joining us. Thank you to Ma'am Maletsima, thank you for organizing this. And you guys, I hope you can contact us for further details. Also, I'll be sharing the link to Maletsima, who will share it with you guys, so you can follow us on YouTube. Our YouTube handle is at Rethabile 4664. At Rethabile 4664. That's our YouTube handle, you guys. So that's it from me. My name is Rethabile Ledisa, aka Rethabile, and I am the CEO of a very effective company, a big company, Goodly Heritage Recruitment Agency. As I check out to you guys, thank you for joining us, and please follow us on all our platforms. We are on TikTok, we are on Facebook, we are on YouTube, we are on Podbean, we are everywhere. We are on Instagram. So Maletsima will share with you, if she hasn't, I think she should have. Maletsima should have shared with them the business cards that have all our QR codes. So it's for you guys to just scan all of them. If you want to talk to us via WhatsApp, you scan that, immediately it sends you to our business WhatsApp. But you guys can always check us on our Facebook and follow us. You just click on follow there. You'll get daily updates from us. And I love you all. I wish you all the best. I hope to sell your programs. Okay, can I, maybe in 1 minute, everybody tell me what program you are from? Yeah, that the qualification, the highest qualification you have. Everybody, number one. Tell me what you have, what qualification you have.
Interpreting.
Come again?
Translation and interpreting.
Okay, translation. That's a good one. Next.
A diploma in film and TV production.
Film and TV production. That's a good one as well.
Yeah.
All of you are good ones. So tell me.
I have a bachelor's degree in general nursing and midwifery.
Oh, that's also a good one. Next.
I have a diploma in agriculture or production.
That's a nice one as well. Next.
Bachelor
Bachelor of Arts in?
Bachelor of Arts in Humanities and a diploma in Mass Communication.
That's a good one as well. And then next.
Diploma in
Master's
general
in-
nursing and
So can we go for masters first? Masters?
Masters in mathematics.
That's a good one as well. And then diploma?
a diploma in general nursing and midwifery.
Okay, that's a good one as well. Is there anyone else who still hasn't? Yep.
Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Systems and Networks.
Okay, that's a good one as well, Mutlatsi. Who else is still remaining? You guys, is there anyone who's still remaining?
Bachelor of Commerce.
Bachelor of Pharmacy. So is that an honors?
Yes, it's an honors degree.